As the dawn breaks over the Khavda Renewable Energy Park, the world's largest renewable energy park in India, a new era of opportunity and sustainability beckons. Meet Bernd Ferber, CEO of Tempulse Global, a pioneer bridging continents. His mission? To illuminate the path for entrepreneurs from the DACH region towards the vibrant electronic markets of Vietnam. Vietnam, with its thriving electronic sector, powered by a commitment to green energy, offers fertile ground for innovation and growth. A place where the future of sustainable development and economic prosperity is being written. From the heart of Europe to the dynamic landscapes of India and Vietnam, DACH entrepreneurs are poised to play a pivotal role. Their expertise in renewable energies, driven by a passion for sustainability, marks the beginning of a global transition. With the Global Expansion 2030 Insights initiative, the stage is set for these visionaries to not only engage economically but to also foster international partnerships, pushing the boundaries of what's possible. The journey from Khavda to Vietnam is more than a passage. It's a call to action for DACH entrepreneurs, a chance to be at the forefront of the energy transition, shaping a sustainable future for our planet. In the words of Bernd Ferber, it's a critical moment to position ourselves globally. Together we can drive economic vitality and sustainable progress. Join us on this pioneering path.